This is Varsha's Education Academy. In this session, we are going to cover the topic of that is RAM and ROM based problems alone. Right? Let us see the first example. A computer employs RAM chips of 258 x 8 and ROM chips of 1024 x 8. The computer system needs 2K bytes of RAM and 4K bytes of ROM. See and remember this word, the computer system needs 2K bytes of RAM and 4K bytes of ROM and 4 interface units, each with 4 registers, right? A memory mapped input-output configuration is used. How many RAM and ROM chips are needed? They have given RAM, each RAM chip size kuduthirukanga and total memory kuduthirukanga. RAM and ROM requirement kuduthirukanga. So how many RAM and ROM chips are needed is the question they are asking. See, first we will find size of RAM. So what is the size of RAM? They have given 256 x 8. So 256 x 8 is the size of RAM. What is the requirement of RAM? 2K bytes, right? So memory of RAM required is 2K bytes. So number of RAM chips needed, number of RAM chips required, formula is required memory divided by available memory. Required memory by available memory. So required memory is 2K bytes. So 2 into, instead of K we can write it as 2 power 10 or 1024. Right? So K ki badala, in the K ki badala I am writing it as 2 power 10 or 1024. And one more thing, byte. Byte means what? 8 bits. So I am writing it as 8. Generally 2 kilometer அப்படினா நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? 2 into 10 power 3 னு எழுதுவோம்ல மீட்டரா மாத்துறதுக்கு. So இத பிட்ஸா கன்வர்ட் பண்றதுக்காக நம்ம 2 into 1024 into 8 we are writing. Right? As it is size of RAM is our available memory, that is 256 into 8. So 8 get cancelled. 2 we can write it as 2 power 10 2 power 3. Again 2 power 8 2 power 3. All things get cancelled. In the remaining only 1 2 power 3 is pending. That is said to be the number of RAM chips needed. So 8 is the number of RAM chips needed. So remember this formula. See, this problem is very important problem. Oh, so only I have selected it to teach over here, right? Then size of ROM. So size of ROM is 1024 x 8. Memory of ROM required, they have given it as 4K bytes. Memory of ROM required, they have given it as 4K bytes. So number of ROM chips needed is equal to 4K byte. Required memory is 4K byte, right? So 4 into K ki badala 1024, byte ki badala 8 bits divided by this size 1024 into 8. All things get cancelled. 4 chips is the answer for the number of ROM chips required. So number of ROM chips required is 4 chips, right? So please remember the formula, required memory by available memory. This is the formula for number of chips required. Let us see the second example, somewhat different from the first problem. A memory system of size 16K bytes is required to be designed using a memory chips which have 12 address lines and 4 data lines each. So number of such chip required is, a memory system of size 16K bytes is required to be designed is using a memory chips which have 12 address lines and 4 data lines each. Number of such chips required is, right? See, size of memory chip is 12 x 4. They have given it as 12 x 4. That is 12 address lines and 4 data lines, right? So size of memory is 16K bytes. So 16 16K is 16 into 1024 into 8. divided by, so 12 is the data lines, 12 is the address lines, so I have to write it as 2 power 12. So 2 power 12 into 4. So this 12 address line can be written as 2 power 12 into 4. After cancelling, we are getting the answer 2 cube, that is 8. So the number of chips required is 8 chips. Number of chips required is 8 chips. See here, we are having 2 power 12 in the denominator, right? So we can write this 1024 as 2 power 10. Then it will be easy for us to cancel over the equation, right? So 2 power 12, here 2 power 10. These two things get cancelled. And one more thing, this 16 and 4 get cancelled, remaining 4 is there. So that is 2 power 2. This 8 is 2 power 3. So 2 power 2 and 2 power 2. After cancelling with the 2 power 10, 2 power 2 is remaining, right? That 2 power 2 and 2 power 2 get cancelled, right? 2 power 3 is missing, that is 8. The number of chips required is 8. Okay, these two problems are very, very important problems. Surely there may be one problem from this type. Memory, RAM, ROM kind of problems from computer architecture, right? So thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you are having doubt, do comment in the comment box. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.